How would you like time traveling? That's what we're gonna do. Wine allows us to go back in time, 2002. Ready, set, go. You know, we can all time travel, like we can go back in time just cracking open a great bottle of wine. But how many wines can age for 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 100 years? Marsala is one of those. And today I'm cracking open a bottle of a special Marsala because this is Baglio Florio from the 2002 vintage. So can't wait to go for it. You know what Baglio means? In Siciliano, Baglio means fortified farm, which is the farm that the Florio family purchased. We're talking about 1833 when everything started. We are in Marsala, the most western area of Sicily. Beautiful color. 2002 was a relatively cold vintage. This wine is made with 100% Grillo variety, which means cricket. And the Grillo variety is produced like a regular wine, and then because this is a Vergine, if you check the label, this is a Marsala Vergine, which means that when you're gonna produce the wine, you can add only distilled wine. So there is no mistela whatsoever. Here is also a Superiore Riserva, so older wine. What does it taste like? What does it smell like? If you like wine and you like travel, you like traveling, that's this Baglio Florio, it's your right cup of tea. Because as you lift the glass, you're gonna be just invaded, like there's gonna be an invasion, an explosion of Mediterranean herbs, grilled herbs, beautiful kumquat, orange peel, but at the same time some orange blossoms. The perfumes are so intense, like some balsamic nuances as well. On the palate, oh my gosh, this wine, I know that it could sound strange and unusual, talking about Marsala. A lot of people think about sweet. Not this one. This one here is a dry Marsala with so many like dry figs, and right now I'm traveling, I'm right in front of the sea where this wine is produced. Is the contradas, the areas where it's made, is Birgi and Spagnola. And it's dry, it's salty. It feels like I'm having a sip of seawater with perfumes of Mediterranean Sea and a little bit of that toasted almond. What would you gonna go with this wine for? Like, this is perfect for aperitivo. Once you crack open a bottle, the bottle is not gonna go bad because it's an oxidative style wine produced in these beautiful, massive, big oak casks. And it's been now almost 20 years. It's like 300 liters barrels in this case. They're not that big, but the winery when it's produced like these massive barrels. 10 years of aging in the oak. Man, the result right now is developing some dry figs and then the apricots, dry apricots, mango fruit, tropical. The more you stay in this glass and the more trips you are taking, and that is all for free, or at least just the price of a nice glass of wine. Man, I would just like dry almonds. The almonds, I can go with some smoked fish as well. Are we still on? If we're still on, man, just like go for it, like chocolate with botarga. You know that sounds weird. Go check the Florio website and you will find how crazy they get when it comes to matching food and wine. And I love it, man. More Marsala for the world. Have you watched our next video yet? Well, if you haven't done it, go for it right now. And for more tips, tricks, and of course, love, you gotta follow our channels.
and subscribe our social media. It's the opposite. Follow our social media and subscribe our channel.